Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to open an LLC in the state of Arizona. I'm also going to show you how to get your EIN. If you don't know, your EIN is your employer identification number. This is what you're going to need to open up a business bank account or to even hire employees under your business. So if you do want to follow step by step with me, I'm going to have the link down in the description. You can click it and follow along with me as I go and show you how to do it step by step on my laptop. So let's do it. Let's jump right into my laptop. Okay, once you click the link I provided for you in the description, it'll take you to this website. We're going to be using Tailor Brands to do our LLC. I've done all my LLCs through Tailor Brands. I've never had an issue and it's just been fast and seamless. So I just recommend it to everybody who is trying to get an LLC. So let's get started. We're going to go with Arizona and continue. Now here we're going to have to put in our business name. This is what our LLC is going to be, and we're going to put in our name, and it was available. So perfect. Let's continue. All right, so Tailor Brands is going to be telling us a few questions. Don't worry if you're hesitant and you're not sure, you always can skip it. It really doesn't affect the outcome of the LLC processing at all. So just do what you can do best. You'll see what I put. You could probably even copy it. It doesn't affect in any way. So back to the website, you're saying what stage is the business currently in? I'm gonna put already in business. You could put anyone you want. And then it's gonna ask us what industry are we in. So for me, I sell on Amazon. I do Amazon FBA. So let me put Amazon, but you can see I just put A&M for Amazon, but you can see all this like ammunition dealer, Amazon sales, exactly what I'm doing, ambulance service. They just have a bunch. So Amazon sales, and then I sell physical goods. Next is, are you planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? I'm not sure. I'll put, I don't know. Next is, do you have an annual income goal? Of course, our goal is always to be more than 80,000, but I'll put, I don't know at the moment. Next, if you want to put your postal code, I'm gonna put online because I'm e-commerce. And here is what else Tailor Brand offers you alongside just not LLC, but if you want to work on your logo, get a website and a domain for your website, you need business insurance, their EIN, this is what I'm also going to show you, trademark, tax and accounting, licenses and permits. It's just offer you, it's a one-stop shop for your business, really. So for right now, we're just going for our LLC, and I'm also going to show you how to get the EIN. Next, this is a checklist. You don't really have to do any of this, just keep you organized. Then next, they're gonna see how you found out about Tailor Brands. If you're watching this video, you can put YouTube. Next, they're providing you a 12-week coaching program. I see they do it for free. I never done it, so I'm putting no thanks. I'm just here for my LLC. You could come back and do it. Don't worry. Okay, here now we're gonna have to put in our email information. This is gonna basically be making us an account for Tailor Brands. So let's fill this in. Okay, once you put in your email information and you've made your account, next page they're gonna be talking about the EIN, and exactly what I told you it does is allows you to open a business bank account and to hire employees. So they do offer to help you. I'm gonna show you at the end to make it more clear. I'll handle it myself, and I'll show you at the end because it'll be like a whole checklist on what you'll be paying for, and you can add on the EIN from there. Next is to assign a registered agent. So what is a registered agent? A registered agent is basically who's going to be receiving all the mail and documents from the state referring to your LLC. So if you live in the state of Arizona, you yourself can be your own registered agent. You just put your mailing information, and then the state will send all the paperwork to you, such like as your renewal form. They'll send you the renewal, letting you know you have to renew within these certain dates to say that's your annual compliance. It's basically what it is. So you'll put yourself as your registered agent. If you don't live in the state of Arizona, Tailor Brand does provide the service, and they would have the an agent in that state for you. So for right now, I'm guessing you're in the state of Arizona, and if you're not, you can put the other one. But I'll appoint a different registered agent, and that's gonna be myself. So put ourselves. Next is annual compliance. It's basically renewing your LLC. Every year you do have to renew your LLC. If you want Tailor Brands to be on top of that for you, they do provide that service, or you can handle your compliance yourself. What it basically is, the state will be sending you a form, a letter basically reminding you to renew your LLC to keep it active. They will show you what you have to do, how much you have to pay. It's the same, you have to pay the same state filing fee. I'll show you in a bit how much it's gonna cost for Arizona, but the form will just show you have to go to the website and then pay it. It's like paying any other bill. It's not complicated at all. So I'll handle the compliance myself. Next, they do offer tool branding. We don't need that right now. They offer a 2-day expedited. If you want to get your LLC registered within 2 days, you can do that, but no extra charge. You can do it within 2 weeks, 14 days. Just do the 14 days for now. And then operating agreements. This will be done at the end after you pay. You can do this. And you'll be probably putting this as yourself. Okay, and they also offer you a bunch of help here, like tax paperwork, legal documents. This is all gonna be tailored towards your business. If you're interested in doing it, they do offer it. So we'll go to, I don't need a professional look. We'll go next. Next is they're saying if you want to get notified on the process, and it's always good to be notified. So we'll get notified. Next is the 3 tiers they do offer. They offer the light, which is just getting your LLC processed. And as you see down here, there is the state filing fee that's required, which is $85 in the state of Arizona. So the state filing fee is $85. And every year you have to renew your LLC, and you have to pay $85 again to keep it renewed. So just to tell you guys that. The next one is the essential. They offer you the LLC, the legal compliance, which they do the renewal for you, and a 2-day expedited. That's the essential. And then in the elite, they add in everything with the essential I just mentioned, plus a website and a domain. It's a good deal. It's what you're paying for. But for right now, we are just going for the light for LLC, and we'll go with that. So this is basically the end right here. And this is a whole drop list of what you'll be paying. And you could do your add-ons right here. So right now we have the state filing fee, which is set for $85. And as we go down, if you wanted to add the 2-day expedited, you can add it right here for $49. If not, you don't have to. But I do recommend you getting your EIN. So EIN, you could click right here, and then you'll be paying for that. Get added onto your cart. So due today, if you want to do your EIN due today, you'll be paying the state filing fee. Once your LLC gets processed to the state, then the Tailor Brands will take care of your EIN for you. And that's about it. So if you click continue to payment, you put any form of payment you want to make, and that is it, guys. After that, you have another form. I guess you'll be putting your address and who's to be under the LLC, And that's it. That's how easy it was to form your LLC in the state of Arizona. If this helped you out, leave a like. If you liked what you saw, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. If this helped you out, leave a comment down below to let other people know that how easy it was. So I hope this helped a lot, and I wish you the best on your businesses. Peace out.